How to deposit on Pionex. If you'd like to deposit funds to Pionex, it is rather quite very simple for us to do so. What you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Pionex app, and this is the interface that you will be able to see. There you can see it says that Pionex provides two deposit methods, so depending on what is more comfortable for you, you can tap on the deposit button right there. Then when you tap the deposit button from the top, there you can see the option that says BTC, USDT, Ethereum, and so on. So let's say I want to deposit Bitcoin. I'll select Bitcoin and I have to select a network, and this right here will be my deposit address. So if someone wants to send me Bitcoin, I have to provide them either the QR code or either the deposit address by copying them and sending it to them, and they'll be able to send Bitcoin or any of the other form of cryptocurrency. Remember, if you're trying to receive Bitcoin, you select Bitcoin. If you're trying to receive Ethereum, you select Ethereum, and so on. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.